Well, here's destination 2. Hope it ain't final destination. Hammer's ready. He loves playing with fire. Take a walk up here. I'll show you what we got. Well, we gotta get this burnt, and I gotta put a drive in here, redo this whole thing here, but do a building pad up there. What do you think, Colston?
I don't know.
You want me to pull some of that from the top over?
Yeah.
You want me to kind of pull it up into here? To get it away from that. What do you think? I think we should start a little pile right here and burn it, don't you? All right. Hammer's got our mauve cocktail. Customer tried burning this, but a lot of times you need a piece of equipment to get them tight. Back it down. If it ain't tight, it just burns the limbs. And everybody always just wants to keep throwing diesel and gas on it. The thing to do is just get your little fire started. Get it nice and hot, and then just slowly add to it. You start throwing all that diesel and stuff on, that really doesn't do nothing but burn all the limbs and leaves. And build a fire like you're building a fire in your fireplace. You don't take and throw 5 gallons of diesel on your fireplace. Same concept here. Right there to get it fired up. On it. I always get carried away. They're loading, putting brush on fire, or whatever. I always find myself putting too much. I'll let them work on that. I gotta hack these stumps out here. You taking notes, Carlito? He's passing down his wisdom. get it going and we'll pull it on top of it. OrschellX.com. Here in Martins. You hear them? Everybody always just wants to take 5 gallons of fuel and just keep throwing it on there. Ain't the way to do it. It just burns it all off. You gotta start a little fire and build to it and get her hot. Incinerator. See, I brought a box with a bunch of cardboard, sawdust, all that stuff. That lights it right up. I'm gonna make like a barrier with these stumps by that fire, and that fire dry this dirt out and it'll come off real easy. I'm not putting it on there. I'm just gonna set it there for a barrier. You want me to pull some on top of it? I'm gonna let that fire dry that dirt out on them stumps. I'm gonna let that dry the dirt out on the stumps. Coming to you live. Stacking stumps. It's burning. Oh, man, my knees cracking and popping. Where there's smoke, there's fire, ain't there, Cole?
Yep.
When the smoke clears out and you start seeing them clear vapors, then you know you got something. Oh, somebody, I didn't know Kylie brought her saw. We're hitting her from both ends now. I said it once, I'll say it 1,000 times, I always get ahead of myself. If it's loading trucks, putting too much dirt on them, or putting too much debris on the fire, I always do it. I just get excited. I like when you get the fires just absolutely kicking butt. You can throw green trees on it, 10-15 minutes are gone. It's just eating through anything. So I got these stumps here drying that dirt out. I'll knock all that off. It's hot in the hole here. There shouldn't be nothing left when we come back.